A dashboard shows data from source reports as visual components, which can be charts, gauges, tables, metrics, or visual first pages. The components provide a snapshot of key metrics and performance indicators for your org. Let's create a dashboard. You can quickly drag and drop a component type onto the dashboard, then power the component by a data source. The data source can be a report or a visual first page. Let me drag a pie chart component and select the pay level report as the data source. And let me also drag another component, this time vertical bar graph, and select the matrix report we just built as the data source. I just have 2 components on the dashboard right now. You can have up to 20. You can also create multiple dashboards and share them with other people in the org. There's an important setting that you need to pay attention to. Run as specified user. The dashboard runs using the security settings of that single specific user. All users with access to the dashboard see the same data regardless of their own personal security settings. This approach is perfect for sharing the big picture across a hierarchy or motivating team members by showing peer performance within a team. Run as logged-in user. A dynamic dashboard runs using the security settings of the user viewing the dashboard. Each user sees the dashboard according to his or her own access level. This approach helps administrators share one common set of dashboard components to users with different levels of access. If your reporting needs are not met by the Salesforce platform, we can also explore data to other business intelligence tools for analytics. In the next lecture, let's talk about data management tools available on this platform.